In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and animate stickers in CapCut. Adding stickers is a fantastic way to enhance your videos, making them more engaging and playful. So let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to navigate to the Stickers tab. You'll find this option readily available in the CapCut interface. It's your gateway to a plethora of creative elements that you can incorporate into your video project. Once you've accessed the Stickers tab, take a moment to explore the different stickers available. You might find a vibrant array of designs, ranging from cute and playful to bold and dynamic. Choose a sticker that aligns with the theme or message of your video. So don't rush this step. Give yourself some time to select the sticker that truly complements your content. Once you've chosen your sticker, let's move on to the next crucial step: resizing and positioning it in the preview window. In this part, you're essentially deciding how prominent you want your sticker to be in the final cut. Simply click on the sticker to activate the editing handles. You can drag these handles to resize the sticker according to your preference. Will it be a small accent in the corner, or do you want it to take center stage? The choice is entirely yours. As you resize, also consider its placement within the frame. You can drag it around in the preview window, experimenting with different spots until you find the perfect position that complements your visuals seamlessly. Now, to bring a little extra life to your sticker, let's talk about animations. CapCut provides some nifty loop animations, such as bounce and rotate, which you can effortlessly apply to your sticker. These animations are a great way to draw attention and add a sense of movement to your static element. To add an animation, simply select your sticker and explore the available animation options. You might want to try the bounce animation if you're looking for a bouncy, playful effect, whereas rotate can add a dynamic twist that makes your sticker stand out. Feel free to play around with these options, as they can significantly elevate the creative appeal of your project, making it more visually interesting for your audience. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can effectively integrate stickers into your videos using CapCut. This process allows you to add an extra layer of creativity, helping your content stand out with personalized flair. Remember, the key to successful editing is experimentation, so don't hesitate to try different stickers and animations until you achieve the perfect look for your project. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and I can't wait to see how you use these techniques in your own videos. Happy editing, and enjoy crafting your unique video content.